Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Swish Life Garage. Today, guys, I just got out of therapy, still taking therapy from the accident that I had in the EK sedan Civic. What I'm about to do right now, I'm going to be driving to the tow yard where the Civic is at. I got to go ahead, pay some fees and stuff to get it out of the tow yard because I am planning to keep it. And it's going to cost a little bit, but I need to get it towed to the house. I got to go ahead and pass the intersection where the accident had happened, so might as well take you guys there. We'll take a look at it real quick and then take a look at the car at the tow yard. So let me go ahead and get on the road. It takes about 40-45 minutes to get there, so it takes a little bit and got to get through traffic. So I'm going to be taking you guys with me today on this little field trip, so let's get it. So this is the intersection. I would have been where that truck was at, waiting at the light. My car is basically right on here. I was facing that way, looking at the car that was crashed right there. Alright, there's the intersection. I would have been where that truck is at, waiting at my light. See how long it takes for this light to turn. So this is green. This is where the G35 would have been coming down here. The speed limit is about 35 miles an hour, or 30, it says right up there. Turning red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, he would have ran that light about 6 seconds. 6 seconds late. So he really ran that light. My car was there up on the median. He was crashed out here on the intersection. So I just showed you guys right there, you know, the light turned red and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 would have been where I'm barely even crossing over that first lane because the light just turned green. Of course, you know, I'm in a 4-cylinder D16 Y8 Civic. It's not the fastest thing, but I take off and I would have been right in that first lane and he would have hit me. So he really crossed that red light, you know. Most people might cross a red light where it goes from yellow to red real quick and just maybe a second over, but he really was way behind when he saw that light being red, and he still took it, and that's when I got hit. So I just wanted to take you guys right there and just show you how late he was running that red light. So let's go ahead and get to the tow yard. It's a little bit down the road, and then we'll take a look at the Civic. Take a look at some of the cars out here. Back here, I'm trying to walk towards where my Civic was last time. I'm not sure if they moved it, but
there's some cars. Yeah, it looks like they moved them.
Oh, here it is. Damn. Alright. Damn, it's worse than I remember. See if anything got taken. Nah, looks like everything's there. But here it is, man. I gotta wait for the tow truck to come. Sunroof been open, so it probably got rained in. The sunroof's still good. Yeah, it has water in here. There it is, man. I'm gonna get it back to the house. For sure take these blades, maybe some other parts, and sell some other things. Not sure if I could touch it yet because it's still like an ongoing process with like the insurance, and I'm trying to go and see what's gonna happen. So it's crazy, man. Alright, so on the way to the house, it's getting towed. I had to wait like 2.5 hours, but finally getting towed. So record later. So I have the car back here at the house. It doesn't start. I'm not sure why. It's the first time I tried starting it, but I'm going to try to check the, make sure the fuel pump is coming on. I'm just going to take a few basic steps here, try to get it started, and then put it on into the backyard. Alright, going to try to jump it, see if it works. So I wasn't able to get the car started. I'm starting to think that the wires for the fuel pump, which they run across the body there, I think they got smashed, and that's the reason why the fuel pump is not coming on. I don't hear any sounds from the rear going on, so I'm pretty sure that the wires got crushed through here. I did use the Prelude here, my 5th gen Prelude, to just pull it on in, and then for the rest of the way I'm going to just push it. The car is finally here. You can see that the frame is bent on this side. It just opened on up. This side is just real curved. It's kind of rounded off. It's not even straight anymore. You can see how much it got hit in. Let's just say that was flat. That's quite a bit. And the tire is going straight. You see how much tire is exposed. Take a look in here, really not much room, man. It's less room than I remember when it happened, and each time I look at the car it just kind of gets a little bit worse and worse than what I remember it was. Here in the back seats, my tools had gotten pinched down here, so I do need to get them out. I'm not able to pull them. It definitely depends what type of Civic I buy next. If I get a automatic, I might have to do an auto to manual swap, so I'll be able to use some of the parts that this car has. Or, you know, if I buy another Civic that has everything I want, then basically all these parts are going to be for sale. As of now, just wanted to get it at the house, because if I left it at the tow yard too long, it's going to go up for auction. So definitely didn't want that to happen. Plenty of stuff I could use this thing for. Guys, I just wanted to make this video for you as I get the EK back home and just show you what kind of condition it's in. I know I did post some pictures and stuff, but once you get it on film, on video, it maybe hits a little bit different, or you're able to see some things here and there that you weren't able to on the pictures. So let me know what you guys think of the EK down below, and as well if you guys want to see any parts for sale, or you might have some things you need, go ahead and follow my eBay page. I will be posting most of the items on there. As of now, it's just going to sit, and I just going to keep an eye out on Facebook Market, and as well try to get my funds up so I could purchase another EK sedan. If you guys aren't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to keep updated on some of the projects I have going. I have an EK hatch and I'll get the EK sedan going. I still have a lot of parts built up for that, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you like this video and watch some of my other videos of my other projects. So as for this video, guys, I'm gonna have to let you go. I'm gonna have to catch you on the next one, playa.